Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can enable Incognito Mode in the 4 most popular web browsers on your Android 14. So the first one, Firefox. If you have this welcome screen, just click here and that's it. If you have any website opened before, click on the tab icon, switch to zero mask and click on the plus private. The next one, Microsoft Edge, click on the tab icon, switch to in private and click on the plus. Now the Google Chrome, click on the 3-dot icon or arrow icon and tap on the new Incognito tab. And the last one, Opera, click the tab icon, switch to private, click on the plus, and now in the Incognito mode your history, cookies files, computer forms, even learned words from the keyboard will be not saved. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.